In continuation to the last lecture, where I have skipped the code at a specific position, uh, let's see with some how this code will execute. So what will happen when start is equals to null? The user can give pause equals to 1 or pause equals to 2. Okay, anything pause he can give. So when pause equals to 1, this will execute and it will print underflow. When pause equals to 2, what we are checking here, that for pause equals to 2, I will become 1. Okay, I will become 1 here. So when I is 1, it will come out of loop because this condition is not true. When I, let's suppose I pause equals to 2, I will run from 1 to 2. Now what is the value of I? Value of I is 1 here. So this condition will become true, will come out of loop. Since pause is 2, this will not execute. Now here I minus 1, what is the value of I? Value of I is 1. This will be 0. Is 0 equals to 2? Condition false. This case will also not execute. That what I have forgotten in the last case. And here suitable location not found will print in this case. So for all value from 2 to n, it will print suitable location not found. Now when we talk about the single node, now I want to delete pause equals to 1. Now when pause equals to 1, loop will run from 1 to 1, I equals to 1 from 1 to 1. So this condition will not execute, this will not execute, and this will not execute. For I equals to 2, what will happen? Will come out of loop. So pause equals to 1 I have already given. So this condition will execute. Now we will check else if condition. Now what we are giving here? Head next is equals to head. Condition is true. So there is a single node in the list. So what we will do? We will delete this node and we will make this null. Okay. This is the second case. Again user gives pause equals to 2. So I will run from 1 to 2. In that case what will happen? Here what will happen, that for I equals to 1 the loop will execute. For I equals to 1 it will do nothing. For I equals to 2, when it will come inside the loop, this condition will become true. Why? Because temp ka next, ptr ka next is null. Sorry, this is not null in this case. Pointer of head. So what will happen here? Will return from here. Now what is pause? Pause equals to 1. This case will not execute. Pause minus 1. What is I? I value is 2. And what is pause value? Pause value is also 2. So this case will also not execute. The else case will execute and it will print suitable location not found. Because we cannot print, and for all 2 to n it will be true. Now In the second case, let's suppose we have two nodes. I want to delete the first node, pos equals to 1. So what will happen here? Loop will run from 1 to 1. Do nothing, nothing will happen. Now again we'll come here. If this condition is true, no. This condition is true, no. So in this case will execute. This will be PTR. This will become tail. This head will start point this node. Tail ka next is equals to head means it will start point this node. Head ka pre means this portion it will start point tail and delete. So this case will execute in this case. Now consider I want to delete the node as pos equals to 2, not pos equals to 1. So what will happen in this case? Loop will run from I equals to 1 to 2. For I equals to 1, do nothing. PTR is pointing this node. For I equals to 2, PTR will start pointing this node. And for I equals to 3, what will happen? This case will become true. So we'll come out of loop. For I equals to 3, this case will not become, the loop will become empty because loop is running from 1 to 2. So for I equals to 2, will come out of loop. Now we'll check whether pos equals to 1, pos not equals to 1, pos equals to I minus 1. This condition is true. Pos is 2 and I is 3. So in this case, we'll check whether we want to delete at the last. So this case will execute. And so on and so forth. One more scenario, let's see when this case will execute. When we have 3 nodes in the list and I want to delete the node in between. So in this case will execute. Now loop will run from, I will run from 1 to 2. For I equals to 1, we will do nothing. For I equals to 2, the loop will come from here to here. PTR will become PTR ka next. So PTR will become 1. This. For I equals to 3, we will come out of loop. So again, the if condition will not execute because pos is equals to 2, pos is not equals to 1. Now in the else if condition, this condition will become true because I is 3 and pos is 2. Now if condition will, here inside this if condition is not true because PTR ka next is not head. This is not the last node. So we will execute this node. In this case, what we are doing, PTR ke pref ka next means this node will start pointing this node. PTR ke next ka pref, PTR ka next ka pref means this node will start point this node and free PTR. So this case will execute when we want to delete the node in between. This case will execute the list has more than one nodes and we are trying to delete the last node. This case will execute when list is empty. When single node, this case will execute, and this case will execute when we have more than one node and we are trying to delete the first node. So this is all about the deletion at the specific position in doubly circular linked list. Thank you.